Hello everyone. Now we will show you our prejudices and realities about Germany's nature. German nature. This is how we planned our work. At first we brainstormed some ideas about pretty much everything that we can think about. For example, the weather, the pollution, nature, recycling, and so on. Then we compared everything to realities that we know. We will show them, each category will be shown in 3 pictures. One will be our prejudices, second will be our transition that we made, and the third picture will be reality. You may have seen some of the pictures because we took some of the pictures from the Italian presentation, so you might have seen them and remember them.
Hansel and Gretel. Even in all fairy tales, nature is very important. The most fairy tales take place in forests. Every German child has been told one of the stories. The heroes get lost in the mysterious, scary forest. They live in little houses surrounded by trees and flowers, and miracles happen there every day. The prejudice that Germans love nature was not wrong at all. Germans love and try to protect nature.
Forest. The forest is important for Germans. People think that Germans destroy the forest, but the reality is Germans love trees and protect them. Here you can see a beautiful park near Villa Hügel with a lot of beautiful and old trees.
Ice skating. Nature is very important for free time activities. Before you came to Germany, your prejudices were that the Germans like to spend time outside. And the reality is that nature is very important for the free time activities. The Germans like to go skiing, jogging, cycling, swimming, and of course ice skating.
Industry. There is a lot of industry in Germany. Essen is known for its coal mines. Today, the reality is that the coal mines are closed and they're used like a museum, like sulfuring.
Another prejudice is about air pollution. Air pollution is a huge problem in this country. Our prejudices were that the air in Germany is very polluted due to its factories. The reality is not so polluted. We can go in a park and breathe fresh air.
Recycling. Recycling is very popular in Germany to save nature. You thought before you came to Germany that Germans protect nature by recycling. In reality, the Germans recycle waste, and the reason is that they love nature and the forest, and they wanted to protect it.
And our last prejudices were about weather. So when we came here, we thought that the weather in Germany is always cold and dark. But as we started to know this country better, we found out that after rain, the sun always reveals. And as you can see in this picture, the girl enjoys the sun after the rain, and it's not true that the weather is always cold and dark. It's actually a good weather here, sometimes always, also. These are the people in our workshop. We hope to enjoyed our presentation, and thanks for watching.